The first grain in the world to drive an RS7. Yo. The best grain in the world.
Drive an RS7.
Hey, bye-bye, my go. Hey, get RS7, babuch, my go. RS7. Hi guys, coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer. Yeah, so we are here. It's live right now. Langusha. So basically I'm here to ask questions. But before I start with those questions, in life you must work hard up until you have a number plate of your vehicle connected right to your car keys. That's when you know that you know what, I've made it in life. So anyways, my question is, witches were celebrating, were happy. I've been quiet because I was waiting for the right time. I was waiting for the right time. Actually, I was busy with so many things. Being a CEO of a broker, it's one hell of a job. I didn't even have time for anything. But now I have time to entertain witches. So, by Langore, they were saying that the RS7 is repossessed. So I want you guys to answer me. Which one is this one? You were celebrating, I got on YouTube. My friends were sending me the links. I was like, oh, okay, so this is what's going on. And I just kept quiet because I was busy with important things. But now I have a lot of time. Now I'm free. I'm available now. I literally have a lot of time. So I want you guys to answer me. Basically, which one were you guys talking about, and why am I not seeing another video addressing that I'm sitting in it right now? Or you want me to drive it to show you that it's real, or you think this is a picture, eh? You think this is a picture. Maybe you think this is a picture. Maybe according to you, you think it's a picture. Maybe according to you, you think even the keys, they are not real. They don't exist. Repossessed. You were celebrating, saying, hey. So we are here now. Please assist me, work with me. Or which one is this one? Which one is this one? The one that I'm in now. Which one is it? That even has my name. My number plate is here on my car keys. Which one is this one? Please, witches, just answer me on that one. You will like switch camera because we got a phone. Which one is this one now? Yo. Yo. Hey. I know you guys will die poor, Shem. Yes, it's confirmed. You guys will die poor. You will die of heart attacks. Which one is this one? Look at the seat. Which one is this one? So I understand how do black people think. Instead of getting inspired that a black person started a broker he's pushing his, you understand? You're supposed to get inspired. Hey, this one is repossessed. Hey, this one is renting. Yeah, this one. It's here. I'm in it right now. I'm inside it right now. It's here. Let me switch the camera. You think this is a recording? You can see. You can see. You can see. It's here. You can see. You can see. It's here. They even drew it for us here. Audi drew it for us here. It's here. You can see the time even now. Look at the time on your watch. Look at the time on your watch. It even has Google and SIM card. Look at the time on your watch. It's here. You can see we are syncing. We're in real time. So I want to understand, when you witches were saying, celebrating. I've been seeing the videos. And it's not even this one only. Even the 63s and everything. I've seen those things. I just haven't had time to ask these questions. So which one is this one? If it's repossessed, which one is this one? Anyways, because I can see nobody is going to answer me. Nobody's going to answer me because they are probably screen recording and doing another YouTube video. Moving on from this one, going to the next topic, because this one they can see that man. But anyways, otherwise, congratulations to FBK members who made profit today. Indeed, it's no doubt that FBK is changing lives. So let me just quickly share the results with you guys. You can see this is screenshots. You can see this is today's date. So I'm just gonna browse through quickly to the screenshots of FBK members. I'll save the live recording so that you can watch it properly and pause and investigate further and go edit and put it on your YouTube videos for more views. But you can see FBK members today. You can see the date. Today they made money like crazy. I'm even tired of scrolling. This one that I'm doing now, changing lives and inspiring people, this one, they will never do videos about it. They will never, not even this one, they mize it as if I'm not doing anything. Mara, tabachaga personal, like what I buy and what not. Yo. Hey, Maloi. Anyways, I have somewhere to go. I'm going to I must go have sex now with your girlfriend inside now. So I have important things to do. My hater's girlfriend, I'm going to have sex now as we speak now. We're moving. Otherwise, pass up.